Hello, thanks for dropping in. I just have a little sound demo going on the Amiga. That's not what I was looking for. There is supposedly a way that I can make the Amiga talk, and that is what I was hunting for. So, I shall stop this. And I guess I need to close some other things here. I gotta remember what I did. Oh man, this thing runs like crazy. Okay, that looks good. Okay. What could it be? Well, let's look an expansion. Nothing. That's great. Let's look in imp. Empty. Slideshow. See, this is what. Oh, God. Gotta find me a mouse. Gotta find me a mouse. Aha. So this is indeed the demo off the disk. It worked. Or at least it seems to have worked. I copied over. Well, that's good to know. I wish I could get that. Oh, what happened? Oh, I can get that there. I've got the pointer out of there. I wonder how I stopped this. Oh, there, I did something. Okay, I stopped it. Okay. Oh, what happened? What have I done? Oh, that doesn't look good. Okay, oh, Guru meditation. Oh, golly. Alright, I did something. My first Guru meditation in years. I don't know why. Alright, we're gonna go back to Workbench. It's funny because on the thing I looked at online, I think that'll get there. Ooh, close. Okay, so let's go to. I can't see how it's in preps. Basic demos. We did that. At least I thought we did. No, we did that. Oh. Well, let's go to preps. Nope. Tools. Nope. No. This would be so much easier with a mouse. What is this thing? I'm not there yet. What is this thing? I don't know what it is, but it's not doing much of anything for me. Alright, we'll go back. I think we did this already. Basic demos. Speech. Oh, my golly. Right beside music. I wonder, I can't see it. It's right there. Oh. This is a genuine pain. A genuine pain. Who saw that? Speech.
Please type what you want me to say.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright. World of Commodore, presented by the Toronto Pet Users Group.
World of Commodore presented by the Toronto Pet User Group.
There it is.
World of Commodore presented by the Toronto Pet User Group.
So, you can do more things with... I'm not going to diddle around with the mouse. Anyway, I found it. That's what I wanted to check. The sound is working. Yay. So, indeed, we do have what appears to be an Amiga 2000 that's pretty pleased with itself. And I'm pretty pleased. I need to look up more DOS commands to see if there's anything besides formatting that will take care of these disk things. But I suppose for the moment again, I should maybe let this run. I mean, I could. I could check out this RAM board. See, adding something to the Amiga 2000 is really quite simple. It is. In that, basically, you have to take out a screw, pull out the cover plate, install the card, and do it. And it's funny, you know, I wonder... Ooh, wait, I know what I could do here. Can I get out of this? Alright, I'm going to wait for the disk to be off. Oh, what happened? What have I done? Oh, why do I sense a guru meditation is coming? Oh yeah, guru meditation is going to come. I think. Or maybe I just reset things. Yeah, there's a guru meditation. Yay! Things happened. Here's what I think I can do. And this would be more interesting. I'm kind of disappointed that this demo doesn't have sound, but it doesn't. But you see, the Amiga can run more than one thing at a time. So here is my plan. I'm going to go over to Workbench, as painful as this is. And I'm going to Basic Demos. As painful as this is, I wonder if I just am on the words. Does that do the same? No, I gotta be on the little drawer. Okay. All right. Okay. Music. Yes. Now, we have the music. Now, if I remember rightly, I can tell that to go back here. Ooh, that was pretty close. I can close that. I can go down to empty. I can go down to empty. And I can crank. Oh no. Why did it stop playing? Okay. I can crank up the slideshow. I can move this thing away. And look. The slideshow and the demo will play. So now the demo has sound. It's a miracle. Cool. So now I will leave that to be tortured, although it does seem maybe there's a little conflict going on there. Uh-oh. Maybe it's the times. Hello. Where'd my sound go? There we go. Maybe it's the monitor may have something to do with this as well. I think it's a little weird when it thinks it doesn't have a signal. Oh! So that is the beauty of multitasking. Well, somewhat. So maybe next time, after this is tortured a little while longer, I will open up a slot and put in the RAM expansion board and see if it works. Supposedly, it's been getting fixed. And of course, as you can see, the combined sound and demo is not necessarily lasting. Oh well. Oh, and then it comes back. And then it goes away. Well, it was a good thought. And here it comes. A work in progress it is. But I have faith that the organ will rise again. Oh yeah. Oh. But you know. Yes, we can multitask. We can play music and show a slideshow at the same time. And it kind of sort of works. This could also be something because, of course, this machine doesn't have a whole lot of memory in it. It has 1 megabyte. This does seem to be a little slower, although the music is playing nicer now. Oh, no, it was. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, perhaps that's enough for now. Oh, and the music returns. I think later I will leave this sort of torturing away and see if it sort of comes to a better understanding of the music and the picture together. But right now, I think that's enough. If the music would just kind of start up for a moment, we could leave on a wee note. But, oh, there we go. Oh well, still striving for perfection. But anyway, that's the beauty of multitasking. So, I think I will stop and carry on, and we will meet again. Thanks so much for being here. Bye for now.